Yamano sana umwanche mulebeta seni kia Ndizi TV ni gwachiaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mugaso asine robere wekiranu elinde ngomanyie na reyabere gokorekana korwa chingongo chionsi inye Chinse asinse mochiche mitandao asinse ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetira Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asinse ya YouTube na bagotonya wetira Ndizi TV News asinse ya website na bagotonya wetira www.ndizitv.or.ke omwanchumuli karansa oike elinde ngomanye asenchira iyo bwenye kolende omwanchumuli yachinga kitoroche ase ensemeli ya Nyalibali Masaba asibakoragwa n'umubunge w'ensemeli Daniel Manduku nigo abagakora omurobeli bwogosyo ya Kibasali litkolya lero ase abamenyi b'ensemeyo babere bakoboliwa babagwikirana sensemeyo nabo igo kwenyorera ebasali kegima nabo igo litkolya lero litko obomobwa Azimio la Umoja bwabete bukora libene ase okubeka okurobekana ase chinsemo cha Kenya kubwatekana nogokonga kubugima ase nsemo ya Migori nigo abamenyi bensemeyo babiri bagwesokya nabo igo anena mono gusieka epara ya Sirale iyo kubwatani omubaga o Kenya nabo igo Tanzania mwanchumulira sensemende nigo umuwaziri o ICT abakagwikirana asensemeri ya Mombasa unentereyemo yo gwikirania manifesto ya Kenya kwanza asokone kibuna abamenyi bensiche ya Kenya ngutumika bale emetandao yekerero ase obokoleri bwabo naboigo ase abamenyi be county ya Kilifi nigo beso kiribene naboigo kugania kampuni ya Kenya Power kuligereria enchera barabe bakwenyorera estima aniga gocha kubwatekana no kubura westima asige kegetambe ase chinsemejo naboigo ababwatani bechikanisa nigo babire bagwesoke bene naboigo kubolia abakenya gochamo anemono ase omurayibiki amagia ODM Raila Odinga aboligo gotwara enkwana no murayibinse Dr. William Ruto eliakweneki okoigwana mwanchumuli to basako nyegera kwina nanda sige kege Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kegima omwanchumulire ndiongo chakera county ya Kisii asitokwende masemo goika ase ebunge ya Nyalibali Masaba ase ngo kumanyibuna nigo omurobeli bokwena na Kibasali obakogosyo ligabene litkolya lero ase omurobeli yo bagokoragwa no mubunge onyalibali Masaba Daniel Manduku naboigo ase aba MCA bonsi korwa ase ebunge yo babagwikirana kwana kora chinseme cyo nigo abamenyi benseme yo babere bakuboli sokia ase obonge naboigo kwenyorera Kibasali munenchereyemo yo gusira naboigo ukinya kisemi ase nsemeyo Umorobeli bwogokonya nigo ogendete gokorekana ase eskuru yoboroso ya Ititi ase omo Women Republic County ya Kisii Doris Donya agendete kora umorobeli yo oigo egatia barayi babere bagwikirana ase chinsemecho no mobunge okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi naboigo omo MCA obugeka ward oyo korkwanerenga Richmond Manani Magaga yobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja kwene kibuna nigo barachikorobekana kira litkolya Jumatatu naboigo Alamisi litkolya lero nigo abamenyi bechinsemo babere bagwesoke naboigo korobekana ase ensemeli ya Migori nigo egatia abamenyi bensemeyo babagwesoke asibagendeta kwe murunga nigo chia ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza koigwa ekirero kyabo anemono chinga ki obogima obogendete gokonga boigo nigo babagwesieka epalene ya Sirale ase abali bagokora obonjereri bwabokorwa ase ensemeri ya Tanzania gocha Kenya banyolire obokongu bwo gwetera epale yo
Tere news. Uone no police de maandamano hatutaki maaskari.
Abarayi b'ekikanisa nigo besokire bene nabo igokomoki obumo bwa Azimio la Umoja kubwatikana n'okorobekana okukogendete kwenekigwa ase Chinsemo nigo boigo baburire abarayi bande ase ekikanisa wesoke bene nabo igokoboria omurayi b'ekyamagia ODM Raila Odinga gotwara enkwana n'omurayi b'ense Dr. William Ruto ase okoigwana nabo igokonyora lichibu kubwatikana nalia agendete gokonga ase nseicho ya Kenya.
The Kilanje purporting to broker dialogue and leaned in negotiating for a truce between the democratically installed government and the opposition are out of order. This is tantamount to mutilating our democratic gains and creating a culture of using destructive mass demonstrations as an invitation card to the government table. If such Kilanje are well-intentioned, let them sit with the opposition leaders and ask them to return the sword in the shed and drop.
Unentereyemo yogoikirania manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza nigo omuwaziri o ICT Owalo abakagotarira ensemeli ya Mombasa ase okwenekimna abamenyi bensemeli nkwegera bale obutumiki bw'emitandao y'ekirero okwana akora Chinsa nigo abagakwenekimna eyu nentereyemo abakenya barakigokonyeka anemono ase abasaye barakigotumika emitandao y'ekirero ase ogokora obunchiri nabo igokwenyorera emirimo.
When now we were developing our manifesto, we came up with 5 integral thematic areas or areas of focus, or key result areas if you want to call it. The first one was agriculture, the next one was small and medium enterprises, there was housing, there was universal healthcare, and finally the digital superhighway. The digital superhighway was deemed appropriate as a standalone thematic area because in the wisdom of our formation then, ICT was not just an enabler to all the other key result areas, but also a critical success factor moving forward. Within the ambit of the digital superhighway, there are integral interventions that we were expected to pursue. One was the rollout of 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable. And the intention in this regard was to ensure that those parts of the country that hitherto had not been enabled by way of ICT infrastructure, through that process of intervention, would be able to get universal, accessible, affordable, and stable
abamenyi korwa ase county ya Kilifi korwa ase ekenyorogi ya Kijiwetanga nigo baburire ekampuni ya Kenya Power koligereria obokoreri bwabo nabo igokwenekinga nkwenyorera bale estima buna ebwenerete okwana Chinsa nigo baba kwemurungani kobwatikana no kubura westima ase egekegetambe ekiokeirire ebinte binge wotenena.
Today as we speak, around 1 p.m. Power was restored, but did not last. Again, after 2 hours, it is off. Now, looking at these power lines, even if power is restored today, we are not even sure how long it is going to be sustained, because looking at these power lines, they look precariously and dangerously low. I don't know whether Kenya Power is waiting for us to lose somebody before they respond, but truly, we are not engineers, but we can see it that this is a safety hazard. As a community, we demand that power is restored because this is our right. We are paying for these services, and we need to get value for our money. We further demand that the branch office, they should be more responsive to the plight of the consumers. Because it is one thing to report, but it is another to respond to the same problem that you
Mwancho murigereria korwa soroboti uroni wanaikire omweli obwa mangana Amayia asebire biga kurende ngo sabato basa guskato basa konyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange no nyora sinchira yobwinge kurende nyora Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeria YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or Magech kamera asoko enekibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobeto kubatenere Joshua Auta astinse mochi biorkelio na nsiriane Fridah Kerubo nkukoganelia uboligerelia obuya.